Did you know that over 80% of tractor failures can be traced back to hydraulic issues? That's right. If you're a tractor owner or just someone who's curious about how these machines work, stick around. Let's uncover the secrets to keeping your tractor's hydraulics in top shape. Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about tractor hydraulics, from how they work to common problems and solutions. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive into the world of hydraulics. Now let's talk about a common headache for many tractor owners: hydraulic failures. It can be super frustrating, right? Downtime means you're losing valuable time and money. So what causes these issues? Well, it could be anything from leaks in the hydraulic lines, air entering the system, or even a faulty pump. Each of these problems can lead to poor performance, and if not addressed, they can snowball into costly repairs. Plus, if you're in the middle of a busy season, you definitely don't want to be stuck dealing with hydraulic problems instead of getting work done. We're going to identify these key issues so you can keep your tractor running smoothly. All right, let's break it down. First off, a hydraulic system is made up of several key components: the pump, reservoir, valves, and cylinders. Each part plays a crucial role in ensuring everything operates smoothly. The pump generates pressure, which pushes hydraulic fluid through the system. Speaking of fluid, the type and quality of hydraulic oil you use can make a huge difference. It's essential to choose the right oil and keep it clean. Regular maintenance is key. Check for leaks, change your oil, and inspect hoses regularly. Ignoring these tasks can lead to bigger problems down the line. And trust me, you don't want that. Now, here's the critical part. How do you know when there's a problem? There are some telltale signs that something's off. For instance, if your tractor's lifting capacity decreases, or if you hear unusual noises from the hydraulic system, it's time to investigate. Another sign could be erratic movement of implements. If they're not responding like they should, don't ignore it. Diagnosing issues early can save you from major repairs later on. So keep an eye out for these signs and don't hesitate to dig in and figure out what's wrong. Remember, the sooner you address these issues, the better. To wrap up, we've covered the essentials of tractor hydraulics. We talked about common problems like leaks and pump failures, maintenance tips to keep your system running smoothly, and how to spot the critical signs of trouble. With a little knowledge and care, you can keep your tractor's hydraulics in great shape and avoid those pesky downtime moments. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our video on hydraulic oil selection. It's packed with tips on choosing the right oil for your setup. And hey, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your stories or any tips you might have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.